With the bright lights and dings of technology constantly calling to us, the practice of quieting the mind through meditation can be tricky. But a new virtual reality app called Trip promises to help users get there.
I've been working in the video game industry for a long time, and my interest in technology really stemmed organically from playing video games.
Reeves, who learned meditation from a therapist, said she was inspired to create a virtual reality mental wellness app after she felt mentally refreshed trying out early prototypes of Facebook's Oculus VR headset. Her firm creates its own virtual reality experiences, with animators and sound designers lending their talents. Trip's main offerings are Focus Trips, which as it suggests helps users quickly get their minds to focus, and the Calm Trip for deeper guided meditation.
Instead of telling you to inhale and exhale, we actually show you your breath. And we position it so as you exhale, it sounds close to your mouth, and these little star crystals come out of your mouth.
Trip offers over 30 virtual environments, both 360-degree videos and animated graphics. There are also binaural audio experiences that produce sounds at different frequencies for each ear, a sensation Reeves says helps with stress and anxiety. But the app is only meant to help guide users to a calmer headspace, not replace a traditional meditation practice, she says. Pritam Tara, who heads up customer marketing at Trip and also happens to be a Kundalini yoga and meditation teacher, said the VR app is also finding an audience with many who have never meditated.
It's really reaching more of a gamer audience and more of a tech audience just by the nature of who has these devices.
A quick way to immerse yourself in the present, even if it's a virtual one. Deana Mitchell for VOA News.